Dave, I need 3/4 of a dollar. What? Dave, I need 3/4 of a dollar. So you need to know how many pennies that is? Dave, you got it. Help me out, man. We know how to answer this question. We know that if we're talking about 3/4 of a dollar, there's the fraction 3/4, that's the same thing as $0.75. Because 3/4 is 3/4. 1, 2, 3. That's 75 cents. So these two things are equal. What have we just done here? Well, on the left, we have a fraction. On the right, we have a decimal. We want to be able to convert from fraction to decimal. There's a technique we're going to use that always works, and it involves long division. Let's start with our fraction, 3/4. 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. We want to divide 3 by 4. So 4 is going to be here on the outside. 3 is going to be on the inside. Now, right away, you should realize we can't fit 4 inside of 3. We're going to fix this problem by writing 3 as a decimal. So 3.000. I'll tell you right now, you can add as many zeros as you need. So when in doubt, add a 0. It is now time to carry out our division. Let's remember that dead monsters smell bad. Division, multiplication, subtraction, bring down. Let's start that off. We're going to put our decimal point right up here. How many 4s fit inside 3? We're doing the division. Well, 0. That's the division. 0 times 4 is 0. It's time for the subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3. It's time to bring down this 0. So this 0 goes boop, 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 right there. Let's do that again. How many 4s fit inside 30? 6 times 4, 7 times 4, 8 times 4. Hey, 7 times 4 works, and that's the biggest it can be. So we're going to put a 7 here. 7 times 4 is 28. That's our multiplication. It's now time for our subtraction. 30 minus 28 is 2. And it's time to bring down. There's that 0. It gets moved down. There's the 20. Time for the division. Let me see. 20 divided by 4. Hey, that goes in exactly 5 times. So 5 times 4 is 20. Time for subtraction. And we get a 0. This is our clue to stop. When you reach a 0, you know you can stop. So what we've just done is we've shown, yay, that 3/4 equals 0.75. Let's do that again with 1/3. Okay, we're going to divide 1 by 3. It goes on the outside. The 1 goes on the inside. We need to add some zeros after that. Put the decimal point up here. And let's carry out dead monsters smell bad. So how many 3s fit inside that 1? None. So we have a 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Time for the subtraction. We get a 1. Bring down that 0. How many 3s fit inside 10? Well, 3 of them. 3 times 3 is 9. There's our multiplication. Time for the subtraction. We get 1. Bring down a 0. So this 0 right here moves down right there. Okay, so how many 3s fit inside 10? Well, 3 of them. 3 times 3 is 9. There's our multiplication. Time for the subtraction. We get 1. Bring down that 0. Boom, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Wait a minute. This is looking familiar. As soon as you see a repeating pattern, stop. We're going to keep on getting 3s. If we kept on doing this, we'd get 3s and 3s and 3s and 3s and 3s. And so that's what 1/3 is equal to. 1/3 is equal to 0.333, and we'll use a little dot, dot, dot to indicate that that's going to keep on going forever. We've just talked about the two ways that you can see a fraction turn into a decimal. You might reach 0 down here, in which case you stop, or you might see a repeating pattern, in which case you stop.